Hello everyone, good evening. Your Reshmi here from Your Rice Persons. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some very exclusive collection, 10 collection, exclusive 10 collections only for you. And today I have draped a beautiful exclusive saree. I will give you details later in this video. So let me display today's collections. This one very quickly I will display 10 sarees. In this one is muslin jamdani with matka base, very beautiful one. This one is full base part. This one is muslin golden zari border, premium quality soft golden zari border, and this one is muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, very exclusive design and beautiful color also. Soft, lightweight, comfortable. Half part is muslin with jamdani work and half part is matka. This one is pallu part, matka pallu with sequin work, and half part is matka base. Half part is matka, half part is muslin. Muslin is transparent and beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. Golden zari with pink threaded, contrast pink threaded jamdani work. Premium quality soft golden zari border and premium quality pure handloom matka, half matka, half muslin. And this one is pallu part, pallu also matka base with sequin work, very beautiful elegant looks, best for your outstanding party wear. And I will suggest this silk material with small weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, very nice one. And this one also very elegant looks, pure handloom charka cotton with jamdani design, ikat border, very exclusive one, off white base, red contrast border, ikat border, and full body beautiful, full base part, saree base part, beautiful weaving buta design, multicolor weaving buta design. And this one is border portions, red contrast border with beautiful ikat pattern, very nice one. Premium quality pure handloom charka cotton ikat border and fully hand weaving buta design, fine weaving buta design. And this one is running blouse piece, soft lightweight premium quality, summer friendly also. This one is pallu part, pallu fully hand weaving jamdani design, very exclusive one, very elegant looks also. And I will suggest this contrast blouse piece, cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece, very exclusive elegant looks. And this one bright also, soft resham dhakai jamdani, full body beautiful saree base, beautiful weaving work. This one is full base part with contrast color, black base with contrast color threaded weaving jamdani design. This one is full base part, beautiful fully hand weaving jamdani design and the dhakai jamdani work. And this one is border also fully hand weaving jamdani design, dhakai jamdani. This one is full base part, beautiful work, black base with contrast color threaded jamdani work. And this one is pallu part, highlighting stripes with beautiful dhakai jamdani work, black with contrast golden shade work, very exclusive one, very smart, elegant, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material with beautiful weaving buta work, silk material bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, best for your party wear also. And this one is very exclusive, very elegant and artistic looks also. Premium quality pure handloom hand spun matka with beautiful silver zari weaving design. This one is full base part and full base is beautiful gold silver zari weaving stripes, diagonally stripes pattern, pure handloom hand spun matka. And this one is border portions, fine weaving design, fully Banarasi weaving work, contrast color piping. And this one is full base part, pure handloom hand spun matka with silver zari weaving, diagonally weaving stripes design, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part, fine, very hard weaving design pallu, self weaving, very exclusive one, very elegant, outstanding, exclusive looks, exclusive artwork, very exclusive one. Soft, lightweight, pure handloom, handspun matka. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. For your trendy, smart, outstanding party looks. And also in a very bright red, beautiful work, a very exclusive one, pure handloom charka cotton with stripes pattern, fine weaving stripes, full base part. This one is full base part, weaving multicolor fine weaving stripes with beautiful buta weaving design and stripes part, very beautiful one. Pure handloom charka cotton, summer friendly. This one is contrast color border, and this one is full base part, beautiful multicolor stripes with buta work, very exclusive one. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton. This one is full base part, full base is beautiful stripes with buta, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one. This one is multicolor stripes, northeast weaving pattern stripes design, very exclusive one. And this one is pom-pom design, very exclusive one, fully hand binding, beautiful pom-pom design, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with sequin work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, very smart, bright looks. This one also same material, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving buta and full body texture weaving, silver zari border, bottle green set, very nice one, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, best for your office wear also. This one is full base part texture weaving design, silver zari border, and this one is pallu part, pallu silver zari stripes with texture weaving and buta design, very exclusive one. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, pure handloom charka cotton. This one is full base part, texture weaving, very exclusive one. And I will suggest the silk material with sequin work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. Very smart, bright, trendy looks. This one also very bright one, pure handloom, fine linen by linen with a bright color, black with contrast red border, very smart looks, best for your office wear, pure handloom, fine linen by linen. And this one is full base part, black base, bright black with contrast color, black border. And this one is pallu part, pallu also black, red contrast with stripes pattern pallu, very beautiful one, bright also, bright black with contrast red border and contrast red pallu. And I will suggest this silk material with golden zari weaving polka work blouse piece, very outstanding, bright looks. This one also very elegant one, pure handloom gicha, black base with beautiful work. Let me open. This one is pure handloom gicha silk, black base with temple pattern, contrast red border, very bright one, pure handloom gicha. And this one is pallu. Pallu is very beautiful one, stripes pattern with beautiful printed pallu, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very elegant also, pure handloom gicha silk. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, very smart one. So very beautiful one, elegant looks, gicha silk, pure handloom gicha with beautiful printed one and contrast border, very exclusive one, very elegant looks. This one is full base part and this one is border, contrast color border, and this one is full beautiful printed base. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom gicha printed. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also stripes pattern with middle printed. Pallu very smart one, exclusive looks, elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. Very beautiful, bright, elegant looks. And as I said, I have draped a beautiful black color saree, and the base is pure handloom handspun matka Banarasi. This one is border portion, beautiful fine premium quality silver zari weaving Banarasi work. This one is contrast piping and highlighting temple weaving design, contrast color temple weaving design on border part. And this one is full base part, black base, premium quality, pure handloom handspun matka with beautiful fine fully hand weaving buta design, round floral with peacock weaving design by silver zari. Very smart, elegant looks, beautiful work also. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also contrast color with fine weaving, fully silver zari, exclusive fine weaving design pallu. Very nice one, best for your party wear. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.